Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum 7th class. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. As in our previous lecture, we completed first chapter of English. So it's time to start from the exercise of the chapter. So first of all, in the exercise we have vocabulary, and in this vocabulary you are to match the words with their meaning. So you can see here it's A, match the words with meaning in context. Okay, here are some words. You have to relate the words with such meanings with their appropriate meanings. Okay, so the very first word is aspect. Aspects mean pehlu. So the related word is sides. You will match aspects with sides. The second word is यूजरियस, बहुत ज़्यादा भारी सूद. ठीक है, भारी सूद की अदायगी को हम यूजरियस कहते हैं. जो उसका जो मीनिंग है इट इज़ हेयर रिलेटिंग टू हैवी इंटरेस्ट. आई होप यू कैन सी इट क्लियरली. आई गेस नाउ इट्स ओके. द थर्ड वर्ड इज़ progeny, औलाद, नस्ल. सो दिस इज़ रिलेटेड टू चिल्ड्रन. ओके. रिमिट, माफ़ कर देना. टू फ्री समबडी फ्रॉम, किसी को किसी चीज़ से आज़ाद कर देना. सो रिमिट विल बी मैच with this word, with this meaning. Now the fifth word is ignorance. बेअल्मी, sorry, it's not बेइल्मी, it's लाइल्मी और जहालियत. So someone has written it right here wrongly. Ignorance means jahaliyat, lailmi. Okay, so the word belongs to lack of awareness. Aspects, sides, usurious, relating to heavy interest, progeny, children, remit, to free somebody from, ignorance, lack of awareness. So moving towards the next options, here is a reading comprehension. We do not focus on it. So it's page number 7. As you can see here, there are some question answers, and these question answers have been provided to you as your notes. So consult your notes for the answers of these questions. Now we are going to do this C option. Fill in the blanks with suitable words given below. अब फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स हमने खाली जगह पूरी करनी है. नंबर 1 है इस्लाम डैश ऑल द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ. इस्लाम कवर्स, अहाता करता है. दिस इज़ द वेरी फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ योर लेसन. ओके. ऑल प्रेज बी टू अल्लाह, तमाम तारीफ़ें अल्लाह के लिए. प्रेज, आप यहाँ पे इन द सेकेंड फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स you will write this word praise. You will be held dash for your actions answerable. The word answerable will come in this blank. Women are helpers. Helpers, HELPER, helpers will become here. Who cannot manage their affairs themselves. औरतें हमारी मददगार हैं और अपने मामला खुद हल नहीं कर सकती. There is no God but Allah. अल्लाह के सिवा कोई मबूद नहीं, कोई खुदा नहीं. वन, हैविंग नो डैश विद हिम. हैविंग नो डैश विद हिम, पार्टनर. ओके, पार्टनर मीन साथी. एवरी मुस्लिम इज़ द डैश ऑफ एवरी अदर मुस्लिम. हर मुसलमान दूसरे मुसलमान का भाई है. सो द वर्ड ब्रदर विल बी कम हियर. ओके, दे हैव टोल्ड यू, दे हैव गिवन यू सम वर्ड्स एंड यू आर supposed to write the appropriate words in these blanks. So here we have completed this as well. Inshallah, let's see. Okay, just have another thing. This is the use of thesaurus. A thesaurus is a book containing synonyms of a word. जो thesaurus होती है वो एक किताब होती है जो कि एक वर्ड के सिनोनिम पर मुश्तमिल होती है. सिनोनिम होते हैं एक जैसे अल्फाज. ठीक है, अल्फाज मुतरादिफ आपने उर्दू में पढ़े होंगे. So it is the same thing. They have given you an example. For example, bright, Bright का मतलब होता है चमकदार. So you can see here the different words that can be used instead of bright: sparkling, brilliant, glittering, twinkling. Second word is fight, fight लड़ाई, quarrel, dispute, battle, clash. Such word can be used in place of fight. Hard, सख्त, firm, swear, tough, stiff. Crime, जुर्म, offense, sin, misdeed, fault. Okay, so they have given you an example, so it would be easier for you to understand what is thesaurus and what are synonyms. I hope you know what are synonyms because in your previous classes you have read about it. So here they are having a question for you. Do you know what is thesaurus? Have you ever used a thesaurus? Do you have a thesaurus of your own? How can you find a word in the thesaurus? Okay, so it's now you are going to answer these questions. Have you ever used it? And inshallah in our next video we will start from the D option, from the D point, which is about the synonym of the words. So inshallah we will start from here, and until that you are going to work on what is thesaurus and how we use it. Okay, please take guides from your parents, from your tuition teachers, so it would be easier for you to understand the things. Until then, your task is to memorize these words and as well as your fill in the blanks. Inshallah we will meet in our next video, next lecture, and we will continue from point D. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.